To draw Fibonacci retracement on the TradingView mobile app, follow these simple steps. Start by launching the TradingView mobile app on your device and opening one of your charts. Once your chart is loaded, tap on the pencil icon located in the bottom right corner. This will open up the Drawing Tools menu. Scroll down until you reach the Gann and Fibonacci section. Tap on the Fibonacci retracement option. Now, you will see a dot on your chart. To apply the Fibonacci retracement, drag from the swing low, lowest point, to the swing high, highest point, to plot the levels. Alternatively, if you're doing a reverse Fibonacci, you can drag from the swing high to the swing low. Once the Fibonacci retracement is placed, you can adjust it by dragging the points to fit your desired range. Fibonacci retracement levels will now appear on your chart. These levels often act as support and resistance points, which can help you in making trading decisions.